Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine X4. We've installed some fun accessories on this. Wanted to do a walk around, tell you a little bit about the accessories and a little bit about the machine. On the front of the Wolverine, this model does come with a winch. We've added the Ryco Street Legal kit on it, which is what these three lights are right here. We've added the USA glass windshield with the windshield wiper. The Yamaha soft enclosure. Side mirrors from UTV Tech. We've also added the back window from Yamaha, sealing off the full cab. The Yamaha Wolverine has been a great seller for us. What do people love about the Wolverine? It's quiet. It's got a great warranty. This machine does have a 10-year free replacement belt warranty from Yamaha. You do have your standard 6-month warranty that covers everything but wear and tear. Traditionally, no tires, brake pads, or belt. But again, Yamaha upped the game with the 10-year belt warranty. You do have the Yamalube Advantage warranty on this machine if you choose to participate. It's free to participate. You do get a 20-year, 5,000-hour, 100,000-mile warranty on the motor. For more information, check out our videos on the Yamalube Advantage warranty. The back seats in the Wolverine do slide forward, turning this whole back space into a bed. Two-inch receiver hitch, the same one that's in your truck, will slide right in. Very nice machine from Yamaha. We have sold a ton of these. Everybody loves them. This particular machine will get tracks on it this winter. We're going to do the Camso all seasons on it. If you'd like additional information about this machine, if you want to build a machine just like it, have one like it, and love some of the accessories you're seeing, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.